Hello, good morning. My name is Bella. I'm from Lincoln. This is our fourth year to attend this ISE show. Lincoln is founded in 2004, and we have been in this field for 14 years. Lincoln is the pioneer in the audio-visual products field. Today I'm going to introduce our HDMI extenders. This is the zero delay, uncompressed signal. We have the 4K, 2K, this way, 4K, 2K, 60 Hz HDMI extenders. This is the transmitter, this is the receivers. The distance is around 40 meters. It's perfect to extend HDMI signal to long distance. And this is our KVM solution. This is the transmitter. It connects USB to PC, and this receiver can connect with the keyboard and the mouse. It can control by keyboard and mouse, like this shows. Source device, transmitter, receiver, keyboard, and display, TV display. This is low latency. And this is our entry-level HDMI extenders. Very beautiful design, and it's PoE. The receiver don't need power adapters. This is the mini one, also HDMI extenders. And this is our HDMI extender splitter over Cat5. We have three models: 2 ports, 4 ports, and 8 ports. See this? HDMI input, Cat5, output connect with the receivers, and the receiver connect with TV. I have 4 ports, 8 ports, all 4K 60 Hz. And this is the matrix one. The matrix, it can support 4 source devices to connect with 4 TVs. With our uncompressed matrix over Cat6 solution. This one. This is 4 inputs, and Cat6 outputs connect with the receivers. And it can control by RS232. Okay, thank you. Our website is www.lenkeng.com. Thank you.